Hello everyone, and you are welcome back to Mon-ara's channel. If you're new to my channel, stay tuned, and if you're an old viewer, welcome back, and I hope you find this video interesting. Today's video I will show you how to make an all organic, power-packed and very effective soap bar. You can use this for your face and body any day, anytime. And when I mean it's power-packed, it is power-packed, made with all natural herbs and fragranced with essential oils. Now, if you've never made soap, please do your research. This is not an how-to video. You want to make sure you go through the basics of making soap, as you have to handle chemicals, which in this instant I mean lye, and you want to be very careful. So let's get back into the video. Right here I have my oils and butters all together, and I just poured in my lye mixture. All the ingredients for this soap will be put in the description box below with the recipe and the percentages. All right, so at this point I am just dividing my mixture into 3 separate containers. I did add my fragrance at the beginning into my oils before stick blending, and in the first container I am adding my tomato powder. You want to mix that just a little for now. I am actually working very fast here because my essential oils will thicken my trace, so I have to really work fast, because if not I'm going to have like very thick paste, very thick soap batter before I finish whatever design I am working on. So in my first bowl I have my soap batter with some tomato powder, which was already pre-mixed with oil. In my second jar I have my turmeric powder. It's going to give me a very cool light yellow tone to my soap. And in my third container I have my activated charcoal. All right, so I'm going to continue blending, and this is just an in the pot swirl, meaning that all these colors are going to be mixed together in one bowl or in one container and then poured into my bowl. So here I am just throwing in my tomato powder batter. Next is my turmeric, and I'm just going to give it a slight mix and also get my mold ready. You want everything to be ready beforehand, and I'm going to pour my soap into the mold. Tap and get another mold. Now when I mean this soap is so good, it is so good. I always try to make a very big amount, because I also gift out to friends, and ever since I've been making this I have had very positive reviews. A lot of people love it. It works for them, and when I mean it works, a lot of components for skin, for a good skincare, are actually in this soap. I put tea tree oil because it's popular for treating acne and also prevents and reduces acne scars. It also relieves the discomfort of itchy skin, and it's also effective in healing wounds. It has antimicrobial and antiseptic properties, which makes it ideal for treating and soothing skin conditions. Turmeric, on the other hand, helps reduce blemishes and calms your skin. It fights off acne and acts as a natural antiseptic, reduces dark circles, and also reduces the appearance of stretch mark. Tomato powder or tomato helps to remove skin tan. It's also very effective in skin lightening, so if you want to lighten your skin naturally, tomato is very good for that, and it reduces open pores and blackheads. Charcoal serves as a natural detox for your body because it pulls out or draws out chemicals to the surface of the skin, and this helps to achieve a flawless skin. I said I use lemongrass essential oil, which is basically used as an aromatherapy because it helps to relieve muscle pain and inflammation, and it does have astringent properties. So this soap is so good for you. Now you want to let the soap harden for about 48 hours tops or more, depending on how soft your soap is. And my soap developed a bit of soda ash at the top. I did sprinkle some what is it called? Okay, so I did sprinkle some green beads just to give it some exfoliation properties. And as far as soda ash is concerned, it's just a beauty thing. It doesn't affect the soap in any way. So all you can do there is just scrape off that white part of your soap. I did spray the soap with rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash. Sometimes it works well, sometimes it doesn't work too well, just in this case, but it doesn't affect the efficacy of your soap bar. So you want to cut your soap into smaller pieces, just enough for you to use in your bathroom, and there you have it. Make sure you let this cure for at least 4 to 6 weeks before using, and then you have the perfect bar. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this so much. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.